Okay, well, we didn't get out at daybreak because of storms, but there's Dave. Day 2, trying to get Dave a turkey. We didn't go out. Did we go out yesterday? Yeah, we did.
You did.
That's right, I went out with my son. We didn't get one. Didn't even hear any in our spot. But sun's just coming out. Should be pretty good. That's what we got. So we got 3 decoys out right down here. And these birds, they love working that river bottom. They go down there and eat on bugs and all kinds of crap, worms. We just seen a bunch of hens as we came in, working their way that way, so looking to be pretty good. Be nice if they started gobbling. I haven't heard any gobbling in 3 days except in the roost. So, alright, I'll see you shortly, hopefully. You take 'em. They've all got beards. They're all bearded. Go ahead. You gonna take one? They're all bearded. Yeah. Nice shot. Nice shot. All right. You sure that is? Just a sec. All right, go get it. Hell yeah, man. Told you, patience is a virtue. Oh yeah, I just kept telling you, I'm like, they've all got beards, and you weren't shooting. Yeah. Yeah, I was wondering. I'm like, why is he not shooting? I kept going. They all three have beards.
I couldn't.
All three. He's got about 1.5 inch beard.
I couldn't see the beard at all.
Now it's done.
Hey, nice job.
Way to go, man.
The 7 shot.
Huh?
TSS 7s.
Yeah, you had me worried there. I'm like, why? What is he doing? Another one down. All right, hopefully tomorrow I can get out with my son, wrap one up for him. But yeah, we are in a pretty good spot here, overlooking. And so I was expecting them to come over this way. I mean, I was expecting something possibly here too, but we seen all those hens working down that way earlier. So, and then we heard a big gobble back behind us, only one. And I think that was a shot gobble from all that noise we were hearing.
Yeah.
That's probably what it was. So, we had our decoy set right out in front of us here. Got right up to that Jake. And it didn't like it. Well, it said, like I said, it said Jake decoy, but I got a full fan on it. So, beautiful day. Glad we were able to do it. All right, congrats.
Yeah. Thanks.
Bill's in the mail.